Hey, what's up, garden friends? Just doing a little work while on vacation. Here near the beautiful Hotel del Coronado, or it's just a great, gorgeous little spot here in San Diego. And I wanted to show you, this is our plant of the week for this week. And normally, I never really thought I would ever choose this plant as the plant of the week, because up in Sacramento, it grows great, fantastic plant. Not really known as the showiest of the blooming plants, but you know what? Maybe that is a bad misconception. Maybe this plant specifically deserves a little bit more credit. And what plant am I talking about for our plant of the week? This is hawthorn, sometimes called Indian hawthorn. Its botanical name is, I believe, Raphaeolapis. It's an evergreen shrub. Can come in different sizes, but usually around maybe 4-6 feet tall, give or take. You can get some that are shorter. What I love about it, and the reason why it's going to be the plant of the week for this week, is, you know what, I think it's underrated. Because it's overused. We see a lot of this plant being used in Sacramento and Northern California, but I'm here in Southern California. It grows well here also. There are a lot of different varieties you can choose from when you go to the nurseries. But what's great about this plant is that it basically, I mean, not just the blooms. I mean, you can see these things are just cranking out some blooms right now. We're, what is it, end of March, early April, and these things are just cranking out some blossoms. When they're not, and they'll continue to do so as long as the sun is shining and the weather is good. But what's great is that they're just hard to kill, and that's why you see them so much in Sacramento. I think that's why people kind of get tired of them, because they see them so much. But the reason why I'm kind of bringing it up is it's for a reason. These plants are used a lot in landscaping, especially in home landscapes, where you need drought tolerant, sun tolerant, very hardy shrub that can tolerate a wide range of conditions, abuse, neglect, whatever, and they'll just keep coming back. And they do really well. That you can shape them up, you can let them grow a little wild. And like I said, they don't get too big. It's not like a red tit photinia where it's going to get huge on you and require a ton of pruning to maintain its size. But it's just a very durable, easy to grow plant. Produces so well. You can see this one right here. I mean, just look how beautiful this is. I mean, it's just they're blooming like crazy, and they're all over here. We see it. I mean, there's tons of plants down here in this region too to choose from. But as I was walking around, I was like, you know what, these ones are just popping right now. And as far as it goes for like a home garden or a landscape for a business area, they're just durable. They're just hyper durable. It's not going to be something you're going to be like, yeah, I'm going to take cuttings and make bouquets out of. But like I said, if you need a shrub that's just dependable, easy to grow, hard to kill, can tolerate just blazing full-on sun with not a whole lot of irrigation, I mean, these plants do it. So there you go. From our garden to yours, happy gardening, best wishes. I hope you are all having a wonderful trip through your weekend. I know I am. And if you ever get a chance to come down to San Diego, it's a pretty great place to be. A lot of awesome plants. I mean, this is just one of so many that I could have chose from, but I just figured, this is actually a highly used but underrated plant. And so I think it just needed a shout out. It needs a little love. This is, like I said, Raphaeolapis, hawthorn, Indian hawthorn. It has a lot of common names, but Raphaeolapis is where it's at. They're found at every single nursery. And like I said before, I think they're I kind of overlooked just because you see them so much. But like I said, it's for a reason. These plants are durable. They're hard to kill, and you know what? As you can see here, they're actually quite beautiful. And so yeah, so. Don't let their overuse fool you. They're actually a really good plant. So for a lot of your homes, if you just got a spot that's just blazing hot, you really just need a simple plant to kind of just stay there, be evergreen, maybe bloom from time to time, the Raphaeolapis is where it's at. All right, I hope you guys are all doing well. Take care, happy gardening, best wishes. And until next time, if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We'd love to have you back. And I'm hoping to go from a couple dozen subscribers to a couple million. Let's do it. All right, take care, y'all. Bye.